In this video, I will guide you on how to fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is restart the ChatGPT app. On mobile phone, you simply want to exit the application, then open the app switcher and swipe away the app from your recent apps. Next, you want to relaunch ChatGPT and test the voice feature again. Next thing you want to do is update the ChatGPT app. For that, open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now you want to search ChatGPT. Open the official app page. If an update is available, install the latest version. Voice issues are often caused by outdated app versions. Next thing you want to do is check your device settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find ChatGPT and select that. Then tap Permissions. Here you want to look for microphone. Tap on that and tap on Allow. Make sure that microphone is enabled for the app. If that doesn't work, you want to uninstall and reinstall ChatGPT. For that, go ahead and uninstall the app. Once it has been uninstalled, open Play Store and install it again. Now test the voice feature and you will find that the issue has been fixed. That's it. Your ChatGPT voice conversation should now work. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more contents like this.